Launcher LCH-W723 alignment machine is versatile. It actually works on all kind of lifts. Very precise, and it's actually mobile. Basically, when finished with one lift, we can move it to the second lift easily. It's customized and it's labor saving. It's time saving. It's very user friendly.
Hey folks, today we're going to be working on a 2010 Targa 4S. First we got to pick our
Please
vehicle.
double-click a kind of vehicle model or select it, then click Next.
It's a Porsche. Can do a quick search right here. There you go. Narrows it a little bit, and I think it is a 2010. Let's go down, pick 2010. And it is 997. Yes, 997 base model without active suspension. That's the one right here. We're gonna hit next after picking our vehicle. As we see, our targets look good, our numbers look okay, everything's good. We can go to the next step, hit next.
Initializing the measurement.
Now we're gonna do runner compensation. Matt, can you help me please? Now,
Go backward.
Go backward. As you see, it's just a few inches backward. All right.
Go forward.
Going forward now. Matt, help me out. Like you see, it's just 1 foot backward.
Stop pushing the vehicle.
Front. Now we're getting our initial
Data.
measurement data.
Waiting for the test result. Compensation finished.
These are our initial measurements, right? You see a lot of red right here. Now we're gonna start the lift up test. Right here, you see what happened? Our data froze. Matt, can you go ahead and lift up the vehicle, please? That's good. Here we go, ready enough? Thank you. Now when I click OK, it's unfreezes data. We can do actually live adjustments on our toe. Whatever needs to be adjusted. Matt, it's all yours. I can see red, Matt. No good. Matt's gonna hit me with the wrench, I guess. Keep on talking, he's gonna hit me with the wrench. So as you see, as he's doing the adjustments, it's live data coming in. As Matt is doing the adjustments right here. All right. There we go. Going somewhere. Gonna show the hello. Folks, we're gonna go try now. It's green. We have to go to printing. Now we're gonna put the vehicle information right here. CD, it's W, and it's 467. Then let's say it's what example, client name, good old Tom, mileage 102,662,4, and it's a 2010. Now here we have, if you have any issues with the vehicle, with the tire worn or steering wheel or shaking, or we can add our additional notes right here. And like as you see right here, before adjustments, right here after adjustments, those are numbers, minimum specs, maximum specs, and according to OEM. Right? Here we go, we can print. Proceed. And ready to print. Yes. Okay. This is the result we get at the end. All the adjustments we did. The customer's information. Pretty sure customer will be happy.